Hey everyone! Look what arrived in a timely manner. I'm filming this on December the 11th, and the last 2 months I received my boxes 1 month later. October box in November, November box in December. So for anyone who's like, didn't you just upload an AIA beauty bundle video? Why, yes I did, but that was for last month. Hey everyone, Why Go Warrior, aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. Why Go stands for When You Get Old. I am now 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what is in the December 2021 American Influencer Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, so yay. So lovely to get a box for a month within the month that it is meant to go out. I am super excited for this month's box because, spoiler alert, or I got spoilers in the sense of I noticed who the influencer is, and it's MAC Cosmetics. And yes, card confirms. Wouldn't that be weird if I said MAC and it was a different brand? All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what we got. Do a little of this as well, because just because you hear MAC and that's a good brand doesn't mean what they stuck in here is any good. All right, first item. This here is a blush in the shade Melba, and they call this the powder blush. It has the standard MAC packaging, the black with the domed plastic. That is beautiful. Of all the days I get a blush is the day I went like extra ham. Otherwise I would say, oh, let me add a little more, but not today. All right, so it's on the peachy side, which I am going to enjoy because 9 out of 10 of the blushes I own tend to be on the pinky side. So yay. All right, what do they say this retails for? Okay, so this blush from MAC retails for $25, which for the size, well, it's MAC. Okay, what else came in the box? Yes, okay, so we got a single eyeshadow pan, and this is in the shade Amber Lights Frost. You want to hear an interesting little factoid about me? I have always been a drugstore girl. When I got married, though, I went into Nordstrom's, and at the MAC counter, they did my makeup for my wedding. And of course, you feel obligated to buy some of the stuff they put on your face. And I ended up buying 2 single pan eyeshadows and I want to say like a lipstick. To this day, I still have those single pan eyeshadows. They're the closest thing ever to hitting pan. Although, next year will be my 20-year wedding anniversary, so there's that. All right, let's do a swatch. All right, so this on camera doesn't quite look like what I see in person. It is very bronzy, coppery. Oh, yes. There she is. That will be lovely. All right. What else came in this box? This here is a Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Marrakesh-Mere, which just the coloring of the box looks like it's going to be way too dark. Yes, standard MAC bullet. Way too dark for me. It's just a personal thing. I don't like dark shades, but I'm sure lots of you will find this to be fantastic. All right, I'm going to put this aside for a future giveaway. And speaking of giveaways, I am, last I checked, at around 673, which means we're close to 700. I'd like to announce my 700 subscriber giveaway. So leave me a comment, thumbs up the video, be subscribed, and this will be for the US only. Sorry, Lynn. Just shipping to Canada and abroad is very pricey, but maybe on my 1000 I'll throw back in Canada. All right, so yeah, do all that. Comment, thumbs up, be subscribed, and let me know what your favorite MAC product is. All right, next item. What is this? Okay, I don't know which way the words are going. We have a mascara, and this is the Magic Extension. And it talks about 5mm fibers, surreal volume plus length. Oh, well, I've always wanted to try a tubing mascara. However, I only wear waterproof mascara. Someone leave me a comment and let me know if that tubing mascara is different. I know it's different when you remove it, but is it different from normal non-waterproofs, meaning where you won't look like a raccoon if you have watery eyes? Because maybe if so, I will try this. If not, this will also be in a future giveaway. All right, next item. We have an open box, and oh yes, this is the Prep and Prime Fix Plus. I've never tried this before, but one of the YouTubers I follow always talks about using this to spray the brush for the eyeshadows to look more blingier on her eyelids. So I'm super excited to give this a try. Ooh, and because of another unboxing, this one's locked and I know you twist. Let's see what the spritzer's like. Okay, fine mist. Seems to be aggressive. I'm going to hold it quite far away. Fine mist-ish. Aggressive, and there were at least 3 to 4 larger globs that I felt on my face. So maybe this will be good just to spray my brush. Okay, so unlike my other videos where I spray and it messes up my hair and I continue on in the video, and then when editing, the whole time I'm like, fix your hair, fix your hair. I'm going to fix my hair. There we go. Okay, next item. Or not. That was the last item. All right, let's recap what came in this box. We got the Prep and Prime Fix Plus, which retails for $30. We got the Powder Kiss lipstick, which retails for $22. A single eyeshadow pan in Amber Lights, which is $19. The Magic Extension mascara, which retails for $25. And the powder blush in Melba, which also retails for $25. What are your thoughts? I'm going to list the grand total of the box value on the screen. I'm surprised. I wasn't aware. I've heard of the Fix Plus, but I didn't know it was what I consider a little pricey. I find it interesting that the setting spray costs more than the mascara and the blush. The single eyeshadow pan at $19, that's pricey. If you look at Makeup Geek, Estate Cosmetics, I even want to say Natasha Denona, don't quote me on that, single eyeshadow pans aren't this expensive. $19? I mean, granted, it does come in a little doohickey mabob, but there's no mirror, and eventually this plastic will crack and break or fall out, because trust me, that's what happened to mine. I don't know. Let me know. Do you think a single pan with 1.5 grams of eyeshadow is worth $19? Now, their shadows are good, but if you were going to build your own palette because you buy a bunch of singles at 19 bucks a pop, oh my goodness, that's pricey in my opinion. All right, let me know your thoughts. What did you think of this box? Do you think it was a good deal? Are you like, pass? Are you going to take the $100+ and just go to the MAC counter at Nordstrom's or Macy's and buy your own color choices and product selection? I don't know. It is exciting to get this brand, I think, in this box. I'm questioning that lip color. I find with it being such a deep, dark brown sienna, I don't know. I think they could have had a more universal color tone. Am I being picky? I don't know. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe, For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And do me the biggest favor, if you would hit that thumbs up, it really does help my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.